What's up? What's up? TAMIR Rice was murdered by a Cleveland, Ohio police officer by the name of Timothy Loman. TAMIR Rice was in a playground. He was at a playground playing with a toy gun. Nobody would play with him, so he put the toy gun up. Sat down, and then the police rolled up. He got startled, jumped up, was getting ready to show him he had a toy gun. Two officers dropped out the car. Officer Timothy Loman, fired a shot within 1.8 seconds before they could tell him to hit the ground. What's your name? What you doing? Hey, kid. They put a slug in his belly, murdered him on video. Everybody act like they don't see it. Can you see me? Guarantee you that video of that murder was way clearer than my face. This is what you can't see, my face. But you can sure see that video. Look at it. See if it look like this. Oh, I cried.